Sir.
Oh.
Sir, ano ba yung tinatawag na one-way at saka two-way slab?
One-way at saka two-way slab.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yung one-way at saka yung two-way, yun yung load transfer behavior yon, no?
Okay, sir.
Ang slab. Okay. Ngayon, sa pag-distinguish kung one-way yan or two-way, may criteria yan. Okay. Unang-una sa one-way, no, dapat yung ratio ng longer span mo to shorter span, dapat yung greater than or equal to 2.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Tapos supported yon sa two sides only, no, opposite side.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Tapos ang main reinforcement nun sa one-way slab, along shorter span. Okay.
Sir.
Ngayon, sa two-way naman, no, yung ratio ng longer span to shorter span mo dapat less than 2. Okay, then all four sides nun, syempre supported. No, may mga beams yon, paikot.
Okay, sir.
Then ang main reinforcement nun, two-way yan, in both direction, two directions. Ano?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Malinaw tayo doon.
Malinaw, sir.
Ngayon, sir, ito, puro katanong eh. Bibigyan kita ng ng senaryo, assignment.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Paano kung yung longer span to shorter span ratio mo is greater than 2? Pero, yung all four sides ay supported ng beam. Paano mo i-consider yun? Anong consideration mo doon? Yun ba is one-way or two-way? Balikan kita doon, ha?
Sige, sir.
O, sige.
Pag-aralan ko muna, sir.
Okay.